Unfortunately, I'm only bilingual and not multilingual. So ek kan net in hy twee tale groet. My name is Hendrietta Ross from Lifeline Northern Cape. I am responsible for programs at Lifeline Northern Cape. So before I go further, I want to thank the Deputy Minister for this great platform that she has created to give a voice to sex workers. A voice that they are yearning for to have. So can we give her another round of applause, please? So Lifeline Northern Cape started working with key and vulnerable population in 2013. So we have been working with sex workers ever since then. And we are grateful today that the Global Fund is actually back in the province because it gives us a bigger scope in terms of sex work, and with the money that Global Fund brings, no one can compete with that because it gives a platform for us to achieve a lot more than what we can dream of. So can we give Global Fund a round of applause? So we work in partnership with the Department of Health, Social Development, Education, basically all the departments in the Northern Cape, because as much as we do key and vulnerable population, we also have services available to the general population. Hence I said to the Deputy Minister, we appreciate once again this platform, ma'am, that you have